There are some plants like this oak leaf hydrangea that boost the beauty of your flower bed in fall and throughout the winter. The hydrangea is beautiful even with its dry flowers and colorful leaves. I love finding spent hydrangea flowers in the soil as I'm cleaning. But there are other plants that fade that don't do such a great job. Now that it's early November, some of the hostas are definitely ready to be pulled. They are not pretty at all. You want to remove these because they can harbor snails. Of course, the easiest way would just just pull the leaves like this. Another hydrangea flower. Hosta flowers. Seed buds. If you remove the leaves, you might reveal some of these stems from the hydrangea flowers. You can just cut those away to the ground. And that's what it looks like now. If you kind of move the soil away, you can see new hosta growth right there. If your leaves are a little bit greenish, they may not pull up, so you can just cut. Here's a hosta that's mixed up with some snow on the mountain. I can quickly clean it just by pulling up the leaves. The flower stems are different. They don't come up as easily. Careful not to poke yourself. Again, on this one you can see next year's leaves starting to grow. They're the purple. Here, lots of them actually. I had already cut the flowers off of these stems, like the spent seed pods. So anyway, if you follow the stem, you can cut right here. Try not to cut next year's leaves or you might have deformed leaves. There's the whole plant. If you wanted to, you can dig it up and separate and then transplant the sections. This one is a bigger stem and you just deal with it the same way. You can cut it up to make it easier to fit. You can also try to cut the stems and leaves as many as possible at one time. Look who I just found. Hi, little tree frog. Okay, we'll do this area later. Definitely don't want to disturb the animals. Found some more hydrangea flowers.